Greetings everyone. Here is how you can find the eligible countries and all FAQs for the diversity visa program. If you go to our website, here you can find the video to apply for the DV visa, and here are all the links required for DV. For example, if you click on the 2026 DV lottery eligible countries, here is the list of countries that are eligible to apply for the program. Registration starts from October 2 to November 5, 2024, and this is the official link from the USA.gov. This is the FAQ PDF, so you find all the answers to your queries. And here is the link for education, employment and passport requirements. This is only required after you are selected. And here is the photo eligibility to check your photo requirements. And this is the exact site to fill the form. It is currently closed but will be open soon. And if you want a detailed video to fill the form, please check this video. It shows all the steps to fill and apply the DV program. Wish you all the best for the DV program. Thank you very much.